Good evening. Let's get the table set up for tomorrow. How are you? How are you doing? The song playing is saying that my enemy, how do you feel it? Because God has already opened the door. So what are you thinking? What are you saying? The song is, the meaning saying that when God bless you, nobody can say no. So it doesn't matter what the enemy is feeling or what they want to do. We will enjoy and be in the presence of God. Rejoice while you set the table with me. Let's see what we can get done here tonight. Thank you so much for being here.
Mara paro wa kwani, mara paro wa yueni, Kenya paro wa kwani, yoni Kenya paro wa kwani, when bero dung baruba yo konya, when bero dung yarba yo konya, when bero dung baratwe yo konya, when bero dung yaratwe yo konya, no more na wenga, aha, pura maru, no more na wenga, aha, loko ba, na ye. Pura mara uru morena we, aha, loko ba, yabu yuna ngara lorobi, morena ni tenge ba, yom jin ngara geope, morena ni tenge, yabu yuna ngara geope, morena ni tenge ba, yom jin ngara geope, morena ni tenge, yabu yuna ngara lorobi, wang maloyo, yabu yo ngara lorobi, wang ma o, ala jugu na wo tuna yum, wang amyela, ala jugu na wo tuna yum, wang anyona miya, wang manyeno wo tuna yum, wang apoyo ngero gang manyeno. No teach manyeno wa tuna yum no teach manyeno wa tuna yum yo pero ni no wa tuna yum yo pero ni no wa tuna yum no pero yo tum mapodo wa tuna yum yen no pero yo jal mi wa tuna yum no pero yo tum malengo wa tuna yum yen no pero yo jali ka ko nga pero pin awal bo ka wa nga pero pin ringi ka ko nga pero pin Larema, ini jeni. Larema we, ini joni. Larema, ini jeni. Larema we, ini joni. Arangeoni, ini timabe. Anbene, anatimabe. Arangeoni, ini rimabe. Anbene, anarimabe. Acholi we, alego rokoku. Karana, alego rokoku. Luo we, alego rokoku. Anatiyo, anatiyo, wanganena wunba. Anatiyo, anatiga bino ya. Anatiyo, wanganena wungu. Nero toro mingu, nero gwenye. Nero toro kuboy, nero gwenye. Nero kwinyo mingu, nero gwenye. Uwe kelo mingu, nero gwenye. Uwe toro mingu. Uwe kwinyo mingu. Ele, uwe krelan. Uwe payam jal.
Unfortunately, the chairs are not yet all out. We need 12 chairs, and our dining table only have 8. We already have the 2 tables that take 8 people, but the chairs we only have 8 at the moment. And tomorrow we'll get the other chairs from the garage downstairs. So don't wonder why it is like this. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Tumba paro wa chile jopa wanga nyono. Tumba lenga wa mjela di wanga nyono mye. Morena uru winning. No morena uru killing. No more uru winning. No morena uru killing.
Hey, Lumono, when you need, when you need money. Hey,
Lady voice again. Ooh yeah. Empire Records. Legendary. Y como pero anda tu peñeo. Púrale aquí mominero. Y como pero anda tu peñeo. Púrale aquí mominero. Mono pay temo pero anda. Y Carolina chele temo waku. Mono pay temo pero anda. Y Carolina chele temo waku. Pero an oli. Yeli. Oli. Yeli. Pero an oli. Yeli. Oli. Yeli. Pero an oli yo. Yeli. Oli. Yeli. The banjo one dano. Bato trio net man kikire. The banjo one dano ya. Bato trio man kikire. Y como pero an. Que nana te lo pone so simple. Y como pero an. Que nana te lo pone so easy. But can't watch it on my take on. Baby pero anda. Pero andi el body. Que nana neo que me pero ne. Pero van ven mi body. Que nana neo que me toro ne. Chalomera. Pero an. Y never know. Y como pero anda tu peñeo. Púrale aquí mominero. Y como pero anda tu peñeo. Púrale aquí mominero. Mono pay temo pero anda. Y Carolina chele temo waku. Mono pay temo pero anda. Y Carolina chele temo waku. Pero an oli. Yeli. Oli. Yeli. An oli. Yeli. Oli. Yeli. Pero an oli yo. Yeli. Oli. Yeli. Icheroku. Icheroku. Jali icheroku. La tienen te compre. But you bring it up with it. You prominent te compre.
let's get the table ready. Spoons and knives and dessert spoons.
Y como pero anda tu peñeo, púrale aquí mominero. Y como pero anda tu peñeo, púrale aquí mominero. Mono pay temo pero anda. Y Carolina chele temo waku. Mono pay temo pero anda. Y Carolina chele temo waku. Pero an oli. Yeli. Oli. Yeli. Pero an oli. Yeli. Oli. Yeli. Pero an oli yo. Yeli. Oli. Yeli.
Up. So we need to get the glasses. Yeah, help me, guys. If you know how to set a table, please help me. I'm trying to get my things ready. Yep, I'm trying to get my things ready for tomorrow. Please help me. I'm doing it the English way. So if you have other ways, now we need to get the glasses. Now, I need to tell you one thing about me that I love. I'm very specific about glasses. I know women, they have something in their house that they really love. But for me, the glasses are my favorite. I love to drink water in a good glass. Anything I love to do it in a good glass. So I have few glasses, but I have a lot of them which are dirty because we're only two, so we kind of use it every day and then just put it in a dishwasher and take forever before it's full. But the dishwasher is on. But this is the glasses I got. These are very special glasses that it's only me who drink with it, or me and the girls when it is the girls' time and the girls' party and all this. Yeah, this is my normal glasses. Like this is what I use for my wine every yeah. This is the champagne glasses. This is the water glass, and this is my crystal glass. They're very favorite. I love it. I love them. So it's only yeah. So this is my few glasses that I have. This is like the spare one that's always away. But the rest of the rest that I use every day is in the other cupboard in the kitchen. So today we're gonna be using this one because it's gonna be more of red wine and white wine. Now white wine and red wine, you can serve them in the same glasses. You understand? So we're gonna be taking these glasses and we'll serve them in with the both wine. The champagne glass will be out as well. So for tonight we'll be having only I think we should put only 2 because I don't want the table to be shabby. I don't want the table to look so dirty. So I'm gonna leave the water glass all out because you know in this these people, they don't take a lot of like I didn't show you how I got my Ugandan. Wee! You see my Ugandan waraji. Angatamira rege betie chuka rev. I will show you my rege. Ti papa mamego mio. Hey. So anyway, we are going to be putting the glasses. I don't know if we have enough for tonight, but I think we'll have enough because normally we should have, yeah, this white and red. We should have about 28 because we had a party of 28 people and we are enough. And today we have few. So yeah, let's get the glasses set. We'll be playing songs, of course. So yeah, I needed to show you that because I'm very specific about my drinks. I love my drinks in a good glass. That is one thing I love, you know. Some women like handbags, like what, like this, like that. But for me, it is that one, okay? It is that one. Okay, let's find another song. Okay. Let me know where you're watching me from. Please say something. Ali, how are you? Je vois. Bien. Bonne note, Landi. Comment este? Sur I don't know this language. I think this is Italian. Love the first song. Please, Queen, play it when you get free time. Oh, so the first song was what? Remember. Oh, yeah, you paloba. Something like this. Yeah, I think so. Let me try to find it. Yes, let's try to find it. This song is a beautiful song. It's a hit.
chuna yum, wanga nyono, yo pero ni no nyono, wawa chuna yum, wanga miela, yo pero ni no nyono, wawa chuna yum, bebere yo, yo tum maporo, wawa chuna yum, yen bebere yo, yo tal mami, wawa chuna yum, bebere yo, yo tum malengo, wawa chuna yum, yen bebere yo, yo tal ko nga beruting, awan lo ka nga beruting, rigi ka nga beruting, la rema ni tieni, la rema we ni joni. Pino ya, yo, wana wangu, pero toro min, dara gwenyel, yo toro kubai, dara gwenyel ya, yo pino min, dara gwenyel, ubo chelo min, dara gwenyel, ubo toro min, ubo chinyo min, ele, ubo krelan, ubo payam jal, yo, chele, selap.
Playing good song. Now we need to go and get some drinks. I got some white wine in the fridge. White wine need to be cold, so they're in the fridge. Some pine is in the fridge. Actually, I don't know if they're all there because we need to check. Tomorrow morning it's only cooking. Now I only got about, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Tomorrow morning it's only cooking. I kind of managed to get everything ready. Yesterday I made spring roll. Today I did some shopping. I got some fish. Let me show you my fish. I got some fish. These are like really big fish. This is each one of them is like 3 kilos, so they are really big. They're really huge. So this is my fish. I'll work on it tonight before I put it away. Yeah, I will show you. And yes, last time we did the Christmas tree. How is it, guys? How is it, guys? Our Christmas tree. How is it? How is our Christmas tree? How is our Christmas tree, guys? We did it together. You remember? We did the Christmas tree together. It is coming. We're gonna get there, okay? Step by step, but we'll get there. Yeah. So for the drinks, we'll have to sort it out soon. We have to go and get some drinks from the garage. I'll leave the drinks for you tomorrow to put it up. The boisson. On va mettre les boissons, mais tu mets demain, non? Yeah? Les vins blancs et les champagnes, il faut qu'on mette dans le frigo, non? Demain? Ok. C'est ok comme ça? C'est ok comme ça. I finished my work. I finished to set my table. Guys, did you see the table? If it's not correct tomorrow, we'll correct it when the people come. I don't care. Actually, I think I'm going to change it the other way. Let me change it. Why? Because it's looking too one. Because normally if I put with the spoon, it's going to look nicer. But the problem is the spoon is not there. I think I spoil it, baby. I spoil it. Guys, tell me, how do I make the table nice? Help me. Laniero, how are you, Susanna? Hi, long time, Mama. Uma, how are you? Long time. I feel like I spoiled setting my table. I need some professional people to come here and help me. Me, I'm a village girl. But you know what? I've served people like this for many years, so I don't care. I don't care. The people come home, food is great, so what else do you have to worry about? The only thing that we need to get the napkin, but you know why I didn't put the napkin on the table? You know why? Because there's a certain rule where I am that they use the napkin in a certain way. So I didn't put them on the table, but we'll put them tomorrow. We're finishing tomorrow. Don't worry about that. But yeah, I think that is it for me. One last song for the night. I'm good. How are you, my dear Moses? Long time. How are you? Lot of love, my dear. Oh. Oh. Now you request one song I played for you before. Our table is almost ready. I don't know. It's difficult to see the table, really. I want you to see. Come on. I want you to see it, but can you see it? I think it's better without no light. No, it's better like that. You can see it better without no light. I tried to set my table. If it's not nice, it's up to you. The food will be okay. Somebody, can you help me? The knife in which side and all this. Can you help me, guys, setting the table? You know, I don't know much about these setting tables and all that because I don't really have visitors in my home. Yeah, by the way, for those who have been in this platform, they know what I'm talking about. We love cooking. We love hosting people in this house. This is a house of a visitor. We love visitors, and all of you is welcome in this home. Just let me know when you want to come, and I will make sure that I arrange it, and you come and we dine together. Because family that eat together always bring joy and power and prosperity. So in this house, there's favor. Yeah, so what is the last song? We are playing the last song. Hey, beautiful. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Thank you. I was just setting my table. Tomorrow I have a kind of a, like, end of year party, a congratulation party. Yeah, God has been wonderful. He has done wonder, and we have to celebrate. You know, we have to celebrate. So besides all the tears and pain and disappointment, yeah, we still have to sit down and rejoice in what God has given us today. So we'll be playing the last song, Power. What song can we play? The last song. Thank you so much. I'm good. What is the last song? What can we play?
Mamma tin parane, honey, me a borene, sweetie. Mamma tin parane, honey, me a borene. Mami lupa joju adami boromede, lupa gore bila kon koreba. Mana ichoko mo agi chokona, iringo mo agi ringona, ibilu onyengani damo.
It's your boy, Lucky Bro.
Hi, love. Have you got your Christmas ready? I got my Christmas tree out, baby. And the table is ready for tomorrow.
Naturena kaneni anoche ayomba, kaneni anoche ayomba, la bemon kaneni anoche ayomba, kaneni anoche ayomba, kaneni anoche ayomba, nani anoche langitlan, kaneni kumeba anoche ayomba.
Moses, what song did you play? Can you write it again? I play which one? My sister, please can you send me the picture of the tiny? Because I tried to make the thing as good and I don't have the tiny. Send me tiny, please, the picture. Anochunya yomba, anochunya yomba, anochunya yomba. Do you have two stars? I do have stars, but I still need to work on it. Just give me some few times. The song says that when you are unlucky, sometimes every single issue is coming your way. Everything comes that is you did it, or imagine in the middle of many people and something need to happen and we see you are the one who did it. That is the song says that when you are unlucky, your good heart sometimes can cause you problems. So please, let your heart be good, but please Le bolo betier. Good evening. Thank you for joining my live stream. I'm just having fun. Thanking God for today. Thank you for setting the table with me tomorrow. We are going to be cooking tomorrow morning because we're having people for lunch at home. The table is set. Few things are already done. Tomorrow we'll be doing the cooking and doing the correction of the table because I set it badly. You know, we need to do the correction tomorrow. Now it's dark. I don't want to be showing you my table because this is the table for kings, for Rodi. God. Anyway, request a song. We dance 1, 2, 3, chop. I want tie. I will be tie. Can you tie? I tell you, I did when you ear go a roar here. Cha. Oh, dear, on it, ya bitch. I want to leave a roar here. Go chaka. Penwe and Pamiro Cho, down my beautiful motor, won't do my beautiful motor, Pamir, Amiro, down my beautiful your Chu, Karacho, Guri, Bullet, you do now. In any way, cut down about Gully in Benny Pew. If near Nanny give no bed steady. Hey, what you? Please come in on your kingdom, waking like it would. Come up with me, Rap boy, let it go. Please come in on your kingdom, waking like it would. Come up with me, I know, adoption. What do I adoption? Yalu adoption. What do I do?
work to be to be.
Hey. La kuri mon my borrow do keep you waited. Do give a picture. Chore better do give it or you to ye. Peggy better ping that to be everywhere. To be. Stop being to be Bajone. Be serious. Me do the ning quo kid. He told Pajilaji. You want to go? Nera, what is the last song, guys?
Project 2021, 2026, 2021. One champion kingdom.
I don't want to sweat. God does not ask where you come from when you want to bless. Bless me, the song Thank you for coming, Papa. How are you? Long time.
A big thing on man was Uganda. When you look for the morning, mama let the money tam kirama wana jaw kwelen in kela mama let nani ke tam kirano american ima wana chago kure ba mira dilo nyo kokilwa ima wana chago no kinte para nero dilo nyo mero kowa anka bi imba mama aye do bun kena mari anka bi imba baby ngan mo don kolo tibara anka bi imba mama aye do bun kena mari anka bi imba baby ngan mo don kolo tibara Anuika mabinja nene tumukela dinangeope Anuika mabinwa nene tumukela dinangeope Anyara muda charo mami Eno chali kidada Anyara muda charo mami Eno chali kidada Dunya ukelo wiki komatin Kirana bloko wiki komatin Dure mukelo wiki komatin Wawero bloko kongi komatin Gimiro di ini ben megi Gimiro ni ini ben melama Gimiro ni ini ben megi Gimiro ni ini ben melama Kwani ya mama Chicha tuk tuk Kiri la bemon Kwiri ni la bemon Kwiri ya mama Parwo tingi ni amari Pinge wunyu lok palo nyewo Bemon tingi ni ageni Pinge maro wunyu lovani Ya parwo tingi ni amari Pinge wunyu lok palo nyewo Bemon tingi ni ageni Pinge maro wunyu lovani A big general. Aye,
Pero tuya Dodoth. Aye, pero tuya Gimara. You're taking Lugambo. Uganda taking Lugambo. Lugambo take your name. Uganda take your neighbor. No neighbor take your brother. Uganda take your brother. Your brother. Loga nyombetsu wala ta pirike wetunya. So don't care la ta piriri wetunya. Loga nyombetsu wala ta pirike wetunya. So don't care la ta piriri wetunya. Kina mega la ta pirike wetunya la ta. Kina mega kira marada piriri wetunya ya la bebo. Kina na la ta pirike wetunya la ta. Kina mega la ta piriri wetunya ya la bebo. Kina na la ta pirike wetunya la ta. Kina marada la ta piriri wetunya ya la bebo. Min kanga ina ye nyakena ina ye minutino na ina ye la to ina ya anu ina mapinja eni chungera tina ngeopin anu ina mapinwa
I love you too, my dear brother. How are you?
anyara moda charo mami eno chal kidada anyara moda charo mami eno chal kidada dunya ukero wigi ko matin kirano lako wigi ko matin dure mukero wigi ko matin wawero lako pongi ko matin Nyapaco ni amari pinge wilu lok palu jero be moni ni akeli pinge maro wilu ani Nyapaco ni amari pinge wilu lok palu jero be moni ni akeli pinge maro wilu ani Nyapaco ni amari pinge wilu lok palu jero be moni ni akeli pinge maro wilu ani Nyapaco ni amari pinge wilu lok palu jero
Yeah, sorry. Sorry, guys. Sometimes I'm dancing and then a memory come in my mind and just throw me out. But it is well. We are strong. We have overcome it. We are strong. Moses, I just want to say this. Thank you so much for being here today and requesting all that song. It's been a beautiful song and it's given me joy. Thank you for the people who are here to help me set the table. Tomorrow we'll do the correction. If something is not right, tomorrow I'll be taking the picture of the table. We'll be going live actually, so we'll be correcting it by directly. So please tomorrow make sure you turn on so that we can correct the table together because I didn't make it right. So we need to correct it tomorrow. So those who work in the restaurant, chef, and anybody who knows this decoration and all that, yes, let's do it tomorrow. We need to get the table garnishing and beautiful for the visitors to arrive. Tomorrow will be early in the morning cooking from scratch. Every single thing. We got fish, we got pop, we got lentils, we got chicken curry, we got some spring roll, we got plantain, we have to make rice. We got plenty of things to get done. We got to make ice cream from zero. So don't miss tomorrow. Every single thing will be homemade by myself. I'll be making it. As you guys know, somebody will be taking care of the getting the chairs arranged and all this, but the table, we'll have to sort it out tomorrow together. But yeah, thank you so much for being here and for the love. May the good God bless you in this evening, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Don't miss out tomorrow. We're going to be making few videos so that it's not too long. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna maybe start with the table, then we're doing cooking. I need to buy some few things tomorrow morning. I need to rush and buy some few things. I'm trying to order them online, but the problem, they're going to be arriving late, and I need them before latest 11 because the visitors are arriving from 1. And you know, these brothers of ours and sisters, they keep time. They're not like, yes, they really keep time. It's not like in Africa, you state people at 10 and people will show up at 11 in the morning. I mean, like, yeah, at 5. This one is 1. So people are showing up at 1 and everything have to be set on the table.
Yeah, we'll be choosing the wine together tomorrow. I love wine. I love good wine. I don't have to lie about that. I enjoy wine. I love wine. Yeah, I don't drink to get drunk, but I drink to, you know, to fill them. And don't forget, our Christmas tree that we made in last week is sparkling here. Look, 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 look. It's not doing bad, no? I know it's still missing some colors, but yeah, we'll fix it. We'll fix it. We still have a few days before Christmas. So yeah, that is it for me today. It's been a blessing. What do I want to do now? A piece of chocolate will do for tonight. This is gonna be a joke. Did you finish the chocolate? Excuse me? Did you finish the chocolate with nuts in it? The chocolat pour moi, tu as fini? You didn't touch, then where is it? I don't see it. Did I finish it last time? Of course I did not finish my chocolate. Oh guys, this is really sad. I only have one type of chocolate that I like. And I thought I didn't finish it last week, but it is saying it's not there, so what can I eat? This is really not good. But you know what? I can cool my heart with a Fanta. Ugandan Fanta! What can be better than Fanta? Ugandan Fanta or orange juice. Yeah, we're done. We're done. I think I'll do it. Fanta. Have a good night. Have a good night. We'll sort it out tomorrow. It's already midnight. We gotta go to bed.